Wowie.
First layer of grass, so there's a pretty thick clump of roots under there, and I call this the cookie cutter method. So I'll cut around the tree. You can move it out of your way. You want to dig a hole that's about 2 or 3 inches wider all the way around, and that's so that you have enough space to fill in afterwards. So I'm going to cut out this kind of cookie-like shape here, pretending I have a cookie cutter. The ground is pretty soft. I just hit a rock though. You might find some rocks in your holes. So I'm going to get rid of all this loose dirt. So I'm going to walk around the hole and kind of scrape it. Another tip, if you're not super familiar with shovels, the best way to use them is to put your heel on the blade here. Don't jump on it with 2 feet. It's not safe. You could slip. One foot, the other foot firmly planted, and don't use your toe. You don't really get much weight in your toe, so somewhere in the middle of your foot or on your heel, you'll get the best weight there, and you can kind of use it like a lever to scrape. Is take it out of the pot. Sometimes they're root bound in the pot, so you can kind of squeeze them. If you need to, you can put your knee on it just to kind of loosen it up and pop it out of the pot. And I'm going to plop it in my hole to see if it fits. What do you guys think? Does it fit?
Yeah.
So it'll make things easier for you after. And I'm going to start filling it in. I'm going to use my hands here, not the shovel, and I'm just going to drag the soil in. Any clumps, roots or anything like that you want to break up. You want to have nice loose soil, and use your hands to tuck that tree in. Again, all the way around, use your hands, tuck it in. If you're starting to run out of soil, you can start breaking off chunks from this root ball. That's where it comes in handy. Chop the whole tree right off. So this provides some protection, and it allows us to save the tree from dying. So we just go from the base and you wrap it all the way up like this. You see it's just designed to go on nice and easy. All the way up like that. Just make sure it's touching the soil at the bottom.
Is that good?
Yeah. I just need to maybe put some dirt at the bottom.
Did you use to loosen this?
Oh no.
No.
I'll loosen the other soil.
How far?
In one day?
Yeah.
Every time. Cousin, they planted impromptu land. They're like, do you want to join us? Oh, we drove to Sudbury up north. Yeah, hiking, enjoying the nature.
Yeah. That's fun.
We went to see
Canon T2i, they had to change the battery with every model.
That's a
Right?
rechargeable battery.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I
Just got back from the trunk sale in Toronto and finally got batteries for this one. So excited to try to learn how to shoot on film. Probably going to waste a lot of film learning in the process, but it's all good. Excited. I also got binoculars for my bird watching adventures. I was looking for a smaller one than this, but this is good enough. Yep, very happy with today.